Hello traders, I hope guys you are enjoying today. Today is the 6th of October, Wednesday 2021, and I would like to show you how I analyze market this London morning session and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I help them through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD 4-hour chart, and yesterday we had a short trade, and we also had a long trade, which we came out at the break even, and that's what we explained to my trader. If the price going to fail to break this level, then probably going to be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, after this candle, we have very strong bearish candle. After the spinning top candle, we had this breakout. So explain to my trader, look for the breakout short trade here. And the London morning session, we had this breakout, and we are keep taking a short trade here. Let me share with you the how I analyze market in intraday. And if I show you my intraday analysis, okay, if you look at my yesterday analysis, if you haven't seen it, the video link is also given in the video description. We have taken this long here, which technically came out the break even. And at the Asian session for my traders, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, because we were watching in 4-hour this level. And I explained to my trader, if the price could not maintain above this level, and if the momentum stay bearish, so we're going to be taking a short trade here. The best way to look for this breakout, because the price respected previously many times. So we have this breakout, so which price nicely broken, and most of the traders, my Asian session traders, they have taken this trade and banked beautiful pips. In the morning London morning session, I also updated that analysis instantly. As you can say, explain to my trader, if you guys have missed this trade from here, so you can join here. But that's what I explained to my trader. The momentum is bearish, and through live intraday analysis, and we have beautiful breakout, and you can see first target hit and final target hit. As soon as the final target hit, I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD based on the 4-hour price action, and we had amazing trades on pound dollar too. Let me share with you guys. We had most of the pairs, we have received a lot of good pips today. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar, yesterday we were long, banked beautiful pips. At the Asian session, I explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this resistance level, then possibility of reversal. Otherwise, if the price is going to break, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. So I did this analysis, and if you look at the candlestick pattern, you can see here inside candle pattern, and that's the good sign for possibility of reversal. Bearish inside candle pattern, and price refused to break above the previous high. So I did analysis at the Asian session. Let me explain to you guys, and this is the analysis I did. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, because the price previous high is broken, and if the price is going to retest, break this orange EMA, then continuation. Or if the price gonna fail to maintain this level, break, then we're taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken even after the breakout. Price retest, that give us the confirmation. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and 4-hour candlestick pattern also supported to look for the short trade here. And that's why we analyze market in a high time frame, define the market sentiment, and then refine the entries and exit in intraday. So we had a beautiful short trade here, and I explained to this morning my traders to bank some profit and look for another pullback. So this was the last night Asian session analysis just before London Open. As explained to my trader, momentum is developed bearish. So technically the first priority always be towards the momentum, looking for pullback. If the price is going to respect this orange EMA, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. And then if the price is going to break this trend support line, then we're going to be keep taking a pullbacks. So you can see here, we were short from last night from here, the London morning, based on the momentum, based on the high time frame price action. We have taken another pullback short trade here, first target, final target hit, bank beautiful pips, taken another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4-hour, As you can see here, price reversing it. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades short on Euro USD and pound dollar short trade this morning. Most of the traders banked beautiful pips. All right, so let me share with you the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had another amazing trade. As you can see here, yesterday once the price hit this support level, explained to my trader, look, price broken the previous low and reversed. That's the good sign. If you look at the candlestick pattern, we have a inside candle pattern, so more likely possibility price develop a double bottom, am I going to see some reversal. So that's what I explained in 4 hour, and then I did analysis in intraday to refine the entries and exit, help my traders to make sure they can enter at the right time and the right place. Okay, so you can see here, this is the analysis at the night, London night time. This is GMT time at the Asian, just before the Asian session open. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout because price broken this previous level. As you can see here, previous high is broken. So if the price is going to respect, then long. If the price going to break, then continuity short. But based on the momentum was developing bullish, and based on the price action in 4 hour, that's more likely we have a high probability of counter long trade opportunity, which price nicely developed counter long trade as soon as the price hit to this level. Explain to my trader, either consider banking some pips or move your stop loss and let's see if you can get another pullback. So this is the analysis at the Asian session. Bank beautiful pip this morning, and just before London open, as normal, I analyze market in depth in 4 hour. Explain to my trader, the price has developed a double bottom. We have a sign if the price gonna break this candle, because this is inside candle pattern, we had a beautiful, then we're gonna keep taking a pullbacks. So what happened, I did another analysis, explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Technically this was the pullback, but I explained to my trader the safest way to look for this triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum. We were expecting a long based on the price action in 4 hour. We were expecting high probability to be towards the long breakout. So we have beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here at the resistance level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank profit. So we had amazing long trade on dollar CAD, bank beautiful pip this morning. And the best trade we had, that was the pound yen. We will keep taking a pullback short trade here. Let me share with you guys. So we were short from here. I explained to my trader, this is the level, resistance level is broken. If the price maintain above that, then probably going to be long. If the price fail to maintain this level, then probably going to be taking a short trade here, and then we're going to keep taking a short trade here until the price going to hit this level, and then we're going to possibly looking for counter long trade here. So we had this beautiful short trade this morning, and let me share with you guys, and we will keep taking all these pullbacks. So let me share with you the intraday analysis. That's what we look at in 4 hour, and based on the 4 hour, as you can see here, right now the price developed ascending triangle pattern. Price refused to break this level many times. That's the good sign, but the safest way for us to look for this breakout. As you can see, the 4 hour price action also supported, and once the price came back here, and then we enter this trade, and explain to my trader, every pullback we're going to see the first target would be this level, and then the final target would be this level, and we should be taking all these pullbacks. So system generate all these alerts, and we communicate all these trades through live audio commentary to make sure the traders can maximum benefit. So we have this breakout, pullback, one pullback, second pullback, third pullback. As soon as the price hit 151 level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. So you can see here we had amazing trades on pound yen trade, beautiful bank, beautiful, amazing profit. We also had a euro yen beautiful trade. Most of the prayer today's, look here, this is the channel breakout, beautiful, because we were watching in 4 hour again. That's what exactly we look at in 4 hour. We explained to trader, price is at the 200 EMA and the previous at the resistance level, so more likely it looks for pullback. So we can see here beautiful breakout, and still now we have another beautiful pullback. So that's why we analyze market in 4 hour, major high support and resistance, analyze market in intraday, and bank beautiful pips. That's what exactly we do every single day. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and as always mentioned guys, the most important thing is you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. That's right, that's my main objectives, to train people with the live market. That's the only way you're going to learn, where you can see how I analyze the market in 4 hour, how I analyze as a fundamentally what's the reason behind this moves, and then refine the entries and exit and intraday system. And that helps traders to learn in real time and develop the trading skill in real time. Once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, then I'm basically helping them to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I coach and train my students and traders in real time and how to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will show you information how you can become a good successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, and until next time, all the best.